Hey guys, it's Sadie, and today we are going to do a house tour, and I'm so excited. Sorry if this is on a weird angle. Bye. Okay. I'm eating Smarties, so sorry if you hear any weird noises. Eric's watching a video. They didn't sponsor us at all. So let's go. This is the stairs. Closet. Towels. There's also a closet in here. Bathroom. Sink. Countertop. My mom's, what's this called? Vanity. Rug. Shower. Here's the inside of the upstairs shower. Oh, by the way, this is the upstairs. This is my room. Pooh. It's a little dirty. Let me just do something real quick. And you guys don't want to see this. Sorry if I'm just bumping around a bunch. But I am. Set my Smarties there. Oh, sorry, Sweet Tarts, not Smarties. Okay. This is my room. And I'm putting something away. So, this is my room. I have this squishy. And you guys think we should change the name to Lazy Llama Fam. This is a sneak peek at the merch. If we get any more. If we get any more, I say. If we get any more. He's like a piece of cake. It's really squishy. And these horse dolls that my friend Gemma gave to me. So this is, shout out to Gemma. I love her so much. This is the horse thing I got. It's really beautiful. Named her Dancer. Got this American Girl doll that comes with it. Her name is Natalie. Well, I named her Natalie. Oh, here is the trophy they won in the race together. This is, oh, you can tell I love horses. You might be able to tell that even more as I go about the video. Here is a white horse. She's a stallion. And I named her Snowflake. This is Izzy. Let me just focus. Come on. Don't focus. Okay, never mind. Just set Izzy back up here. Okay. And I made these. So this bunny, it's really pretty, cute. Mwah. Just kissed it. Now this puppy I made, she's also really cute. This is Gemma's. I painted it for her. It's a gold unicorn. Down here it says be magical. And I painted this horse too. You can start to see I love horses and birds. And unicorns. And this pretty bird I also painted. Painted lots of the stuff. Here's some shrinky dinks and leather craft I did. This is a pink wolf. Focus, come on. Nothing's focusing. This is a wolf. Sorry if I'm zooming in a little bit. A wolf and a blue sun. this horse that says an ID just can't show us this thing. Yeah, it won't focus, but yeah, here is a horse I drew. I also drew this puppy. Yeah. And I made this leather craft, which is awesome. It's a keychain. It's a puppy paw, and then these like flowers around it. Sorry if nothing's focusing. And this was my mom's when she was a kid. This is more like a tour of my room. And yeah, I'm doing my brother's room next. So I have a fairy, and if you didn't notice, when I was walking up, there's a little fairy door. I'll show it to you. So it says, Sadie, Eric, and Evan, one treat for each of you. Love, Petal. Her name is Petal, and then she drew 3 circles because there is me, Eric, and Evan, and then there's also a what's it called? She gave us jelly beans. So yeah. Now we made this. She made this thank you, love, Petal. Her name is Petal. And then it says Sadie, Eric, and Evan. This is a little bit of a long note. Wait, give me a second. Okay. This isn't the last note. It says Sadie, Eric, and Evan, by the way, on the front. Sorry if I already said. It says, thank you for fixing my door. I've missed you. Love, Petal. Looks like it's a lure petal. And then the last one is folded too. Thank you for the great drawings. And note, I love you too. Love, Petal. Now we're gonna go and look at her door, which is gonna be awesome. Let me just, it's in between me, Eric, and Evan's room. So here it is, her door. She doesn't come a bunch anymore. Mom, look.
Hey, that's my mom.
This is Eric and Evan's room. They just rearranged it like a couple minutes ago. So here's Eric's star light. He's reading Dog Man. Here, if you don't know what Dog Man is, it says Dog Man behind the scenes. Yeah, so if you want to read it, here is a quick minute to do that. So Dog Man behind the scenes. Okay, you know what? If you like Dog Man, you should have the books. And Evan got this whole set. So he got the Dog Man that I just showed you, Dog Man Unleashed, Dog Man Brawl for the Wild. No, this one's for While the Ball Rolls. This one is for Brawl of the Wild. This one is Dog Man and Cat Kid. And I am reading Dog Man with A Tale of Two Kitties. So let me get it. Just doing something real quick. Let me set you guys down. And boom. Tale of Two Kitties, Dog Man. Petey and Little Petey. Or Lil Petey. If you want to say it the right way. I don't. Let me just set you guys down for a second. Okay. Let me do something real quick. Let me go back downstairs.
You're gonna use up all the memory in my phone, you know.
I'm not. Never mind, you guys. that's all we're going to do for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out. Bye-bye.